Hello everyone. Welcome to the episode 4 of my English practice series. Today I will talk about my favorite food. My favorite food is fried chicken. Uh, Fried chicken. Uh, I like it because it's very delicious and easy to fry, crispy and tiny. Okay, I I usually eat it with rice or sauce. Okay, or sauce. I eat my favorite food when I feel happy or hungry, and food make me feel relaxed and enjoy my day. Okay, thank you for listening. See you next episode.